thought we'd take you around, show you the construction of our new production brewery location over in Rockbridge County. This is my office. I'm out here about 3 days a week, and progress has been going along great. We have a 15,000 square foot facility we're building. It appears that we're going to be able to, from the time we break ground to the time we brew our first batch of beer, it's going to be 8 months. That includes the whole complete site construction and the brewing of the beer, which we hope will be the 1st of December. Equipment arrives around the 1st of October. We're going to be getting our silos in first, and we'll have a crew of Germans coming in. We have 8 of them that are going to be here for more than 2 months putting this equipment together. We'll also be using some of our local contractors to help with that process, and the electrical, running the wires, and also to provide some welding and different type of labor for those guys. But we're real excited. We have everything scheduled to come in: the chiller, the boiler, the air compressor, all the different elements, the walk-in coolers that are going to make this facility operational come the 1st of December. So I'll go ahead and give you a tour right now if you'd like to see what we're doing. My office here sits in the utility room. And here we're putting our air compressor, all the electrical equipment, and our water main will come in through this room. We have big garage doors on a lot of these spaces to be able to ease access into the space. Here we're walking into where our boiler is going to be. We have a 50 horsepower boiler going in here, pretty highly sophisticated unit, efficient. And that will be running our kettles. They're steam jacketed kettles, and we'll also be using that to heat our hot liquor tank, and also do various cleaning projects around the brewery. This is our mill room inside here. The mill room plate height in here is about 26 feet. Goes up to about 35 feet. Got these guys over here finishing up the block on the sidewall over here. They're rock stars, every one of these guys. Been working through a lot of heat, and appreciate everything they're doing. This is the insulation that we'll be putting up on the walls. We have room in here for 4 25-ton silos, and we'll also have a spent grain silo here that trucks will be coming up outside to pick up the spent grain to feed cattle, etc. You can see this big space. We still need to put our interior partitions in, but right now we're in the brew house, which is this segment, which has tremendous views looking out over the Shenandoah Valley. If you take a look this way, we're sort of excited about this aspect of it. We have a cattle farm out there. You can see some cows out there, look like Charolais, and the mountains in the distance. Pretty hazy day, so we're not going to be able to see too much. And by the way, one of our beers is named Haze that we make. It's a seasonal. Going further this way, these guys, where they're working over here, this is our fermentation room. We'll have room to put our 20-foot tall 120-barrel fermenters in here. We also have a couple of 60-barrel fermenters for some smaller batches. But this room between these posts will pretty much be taken up completely with fermentation. Now, next room. This is where our bottling line will be, and our kegging line, and eventually a canning line. We also have some storage down at the far end. Over in this area here is a drive-in cooler, and we have a loading dock to the side there that will take different vehicles to pick up deliveries. And just lastly but not least, we have the reception room. bar that will run down the length of this room with views to our brewing vessels and to our bottling line. So we'll shoot you another one of these things as we get further along, but hope you enjoyed it.